All right, so I just got this lava lamp on Amazon, really affordable. I'm gonna try it out in here. You can see, comes like that, kind of in a soda can bottle. This thing right here, just this like little jelly thing. And you got the lamp actually down there. It's 3 different parts. Plug it in, that melts. They say it takes about 2 to 3 hours. And we'll see how it takes, but it's, it's basically just set it up, which is 3 different parts, 1, 2, 3, and plug it in and let it melt, and let's see how that looks after about 2 hours. All right, so this is what that lava lamp looks like. You can see that gel is melting into the lava lamp, and we'll wait another 35-40 minutes. We'll check on it. All right, and after about 2 hours, now you can see it has panned out and it's taken full form. So it does take 2 hours. It's pretty cool. Check the link description below for this particular lava lamp. I know for a fact it works. That's what you've watched.